Nikon Monarch M5 10x42 results. Birds never looked this sharp.
Last hike, I pulled out my old 8x42s and spent 10 minutes squinting at a warbler that looked like a blurry green blob. My buddy with better glass identified it instantly, and I wanted to yeet mine off the cliff. Ever felt like your binoculars are actively holding you back? Drop your most frustrating missed it moment below.
That sting when everyone else sees the eagle and you're still scanning the sky like a lost tourist. Neck aching, eyes straining, ego bruised. Imagine glass so clear you spot the details before they do, without adding bulk or breaking your flow. Stay with me. Your next sighting is about to feel unfair.
Then the Nikon Monarch M5 10x42 showed up. ED glass that makes colors pop like you're cheating. Dielectric coatings that turn dawn and dusk into daylight. 1000R level clarity with zero color fringing. Waterproof and fogproof so weather stops being an excuse. Monster eye relief that works perfectly with glasses. Monster grip rubber that feels bomb-proof in cold hands. And the bundled harness that makes all-day carry feel like you forgot 'em at home. True story. Sunrise bird count, freezing fog. My old binos fogged internally within minutes. Switched to the Monarch M5 10x42. Glass stayed perfectly clear. Spotted a rare owl at 200 yards while everyone else was wiping lenses and cursing. That electric rush when your gear finally keeps up with your passion, I'm still chasing that high.
Here's how it actually plays. You lift them, image snaps into focus, colors hit different. You spot the bird first, you become that guy everyone asks, what are you using? Optics experts say the Monarch M5 10x42 resolves more detail at the edges than some alpha glass. One birder I follow switched and said his life list doubled because he stopped missing warblers in dense foliage. Analysts call it the best value in serious glass right now. A hunter told me he finally saw antler tines clearly at legal light instead of guessing. My personal flex? Wearing them 8 hours straight glassing elk and forgetting they were there until I took them off. Zero neck pain, thanks to the harness. Biggest objection I see is, but Swaro is better. Sure, if you want to pay triple for 5% more performance, thousands of us are quietly living our best glassing lives with the Nikon Monarch M5 10x42 right now. Which would you rather spot first, raptors or warblers? Tell me below.
Imagine every glance through your binos feeling like the first time. Sharp, bright, effortless, no matter the light or weather. Join the birders, hunters, and weekend warriors already obsessed with the Nikon Monarch M5 10x42 and seeing the world in stupid detail. The exact bundle I use, with harness plus lens pen, is moving fast because people keep buying backups. Click the link in the description right now to grab yours. Don't just watch, jump in and make every outing unforgettable today. Your next lifer is waiting.